Hey, I'm Ascanio. Thanks for stopping by the channel. 8 years ago, I got divorced, decided that I was gonna live life on my terms. You know, what's important to me is a lifestyle of minimalism. I became a nomad. I mean, living in a motorhome, kind of done with a motorhome. Just wanna travel around the world. And my goal is basically to discover, immerse, and transform. That's the point of my trip. I'm extremely passionate about nature, about humanity, about experiences in general. I love being in amazing places. Nothing is too crazy for me, and I love doing it all. And that's my goal on this trip. Do as much and see as much as possible and really immerse myself and connect to this planet and to the people and to you. And on the way, I'm looking to grow, have a ton of fun, and learn a lot about the planet, about myself, about others, and see how I fit and see what I can do to make this world a better place. I'm currently in Costa Rica, on my way down to Colombia. Got a foundation I started, which is going to be providing water filters and clean water to families in need in the rural parts, the places where they don't have access to clean water. So far, I've raised about $3,000, which will buy about 100 filters, and each filter can produce up to 50 liters of clean water every single day for 400 days. That's 20,000 liters of clean water just from one filter. That's gonna make a huge difference, and I can't wait. My real purpose on this journey is gonna start in Colombia. So I am very excited about that. So if you're also an adventurer, I'll do my best to provide information, share the highlights of every single place that I go. My goal is to see it all and do it all. Of course, that's not gonna happen, but I'm gonna try to squeeze out every bit of amazingness that this planet has to offer. So if any of that resonates with you, hit the subscribe button, enjoy a couple of the videos, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Stick around because it's gonna get crazy.
Oh my God, that was crazy!